Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Over 80 terrorists were killed in a series of strikes carried out by Indian armed forces on terror camps across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir (POK) early today. Operation Sindoor was a cross-border action. It targeted 9 facilities linked to banned terrorist outfits Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Hizbul Mujahideen. Intelligence agencies are still verifying the number of casualties on other targeted locations. Initial assessments suggest that between 80 and 90 terrorists were neutralized in total. The Indian Army hit the launch pads, training camps and radicalization centers operated by these terrorist organizations. Meanwhile, Pakistan said 8 civilians, including a child, were killed. Pakistan has called it a blatant act of war. In response to the strikes, the Pakistani army opened artillery fire along the LOC in the Poonch-Rajouri area, killing 3 civilians. After Operation Sindoor, India has sent a message to Pakistan to spare from any form of escalation. Meanwhile, the Pakistani leadership has vowed retaliation over the strikes in Pakistan and POK. India has specified that its strikes displayed calibrated and non-escalatory approach. Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said a befitting reply would be given. The Pakistani government also called the strikes reckless action that brought the two nuclear-armed nations closer to a major conflict. Airports across part of northwestern India have been shut until further notice following the Operation Sindoor. Flight operations have been suspended at key airports including Dharamshala, Leh, Jammu, Srinagar and Amritsar. Authorities have said that all departures, arrivals and connecting flights through these airports may be affected. Flight operations at the Delhi airport were also disrupted. Authorities have advised passengers to check their airlines before heading to the airport. US President Trump has reacted to India's military strikes on targets inside Pakistan and POK. Trump has described the situation as a shame and has urged both countries to de-escalate. Apart from this, Ajit Doval spoke to the US NSA and Secretary of State Marco Rubio. Doval updated Marco on the measures undertaken by India. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.